Good morning, students of class 9th. In this video, we will discuss the question answer of the chapter The Beggar. The last chapter, Beggar. See page number 67. Think about it. Question number 1. Has Laskov become a beggar by circumstance or by chance? Answer. Laskov was a middle-aged man and belonged to the Russian choir. He was not a born beggar, he was sacked from the choir because of his drinking habits. He became a beggar by choice as he did not like to work hard at that stage. Question number 2. What reasons does he give to Sergei for his telling lies? Laskov told the truth and accepted that he was a liar. Formerly, he used to be a singer. He told lies to seek the favor of others. If he had spoken the truth, none would have helped him. So he decided to tell lies. Next question number 3. Is Laskov a willing worker? Why, then, does he agree to chop wood for Sergei? No, he was not a willing worker. He was too weak to work. He had lost his strength and stamina due to his habit of drinking. And secondly, he was a middle-aged man. He agreed to chop wood because of pride and shame, and he had been trapped by his own words. So he had no other way but to accept Sergei's offer. Next question is question number 4. Sergei says, I am happy that my words have taken effect. Why does he say so? Is he right in saying so? Yes, Sergei looked satisfied with the performance of the beggar and felt happy. When Laskov's job of packing and hauling of the furniture was over, he praised him while handing him a ruble. But he was not right in saying so, because Laskov had not developed the habit of working hard. He was still as an ideal fellow. Next question is question number 5. Laskov is earning 35 rubles a month. How is he obliged to Sergei for this? Sergei played very important role in improving the condition of the beggar. It was because of Sergei that Laskov could earn 35 rubles a month. He offered him the job to chop wood at his home. Later on, he sent him to one of his friends to do the job of copying. Laskov was highly obliged to Sergei because now he was a notary because of him. Next question is question number 6. During the conversation, Laskov reveals that Sergei's cook Olga is responsible for the positive change in him. How has Olga saved Laskov? Olga was a social and sympathetic lady. She loved humanity. She realized the condition of Laskov and tried her best to improve the same. She did the work of his part as she wanted to change him. She kept criticizing him in order to improve him. He realized her feelings towards him and change took place in his heart. So, Olga was responsible for the positive change in him. Thank you, students. Thank you.